everyone, my name is Nicole Legros, and I have been battling Lyme disease and co-infections for 18 years. I was finally diagnosed about a year and a half ago, and I began treatment February of this year. A few tips I would like to share with you that are super important to me in my journey are, number one, how you speak to yourself. That is huge. Be kind to yourself. I am working on this every single day, but it's a big one. I catch myself thinking and saying, you're not enough. You're failing. Just keep pushing through. How could you take a rest day? You could have gotten so much more done. If I sleep in past, a certain time when I wanted to get up at this time and I get up a couple hours later, I'll beat myself up over it all day. It's not healthy. It's not positive. It's not being kind to my body. So a big thing is learning to be kind to your body while it heals and feed it encouragement and positivity. If your best friend was going through this, you would not give them that horrible advice that you're saying to yourself. You would cheer them on. So you need to learn to cheer yourself on like you would for others and not push your body past its limits and support the fact that you are healing and allow your body to do whatever it needs to heal. My second tip is support system. If you don't have a support system, there are so many amazing groups on social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram. You can look up Lyme accounts, you can look up Lyme groups. They are amazing. I have an amazing support system, and I am so incredibly grateful for that. So even if you do have a support system, it's amazing to seek out, other people that have the same disease. But I want to stress the fact that if you don't have a support system already, please get one because you need it. Hearing someone else say to you, I get it, when you're talking to someone that has Lyme, they truly get it and they're truly going through the same things as you are. So I've always found that very comforting, and it's very positive. Another thing is advocate for yourself. Keep pushing. Don't take no for an answer. Push your doctor. If you don't like your doctor, change doctors. You have to advocate for you. Don't ever give up. So those are all my tips. I hope they help, and keep on being warriors.